So we have Mr. Marquise over here doing his magic to the 550 Benz. If you haven't already, follow him on Marquise Customs. He's about to get this bad boy looking good. So we're doing the Wraith lights and whatnot. So he's just taking the headliner out. What you gotta tell the tube, you Marquise?
Shit.
Taking it off from the sunroof. So it turns out this piece up here, explain to them, Marquise.
Alright, so we did a T15 torque screw bit to take out the headliner, the holder, the plate that holds the mirror, and the 3 screws that goes here, here, and here. And the same thing on that side. Get you one of these pop rivet things. Pop the side panels out, pull this gasket off the thing, and basically just wiggle the headliner out. And you're not gonna be able to pull it down because this like piece right here is hooked in.
It's hooked in right there.
Right up on this area.
I don't know if y'all can see that.
So in order to get it out, you gotta come up here to the top. With this piece right here, it goes down into this channel. It's sitting in here, locking that piece in place. So you gotta pop this up and remove it, and push that down. Then you slide the headliner forward, and it should drop. It's not gonna drop completely because it's held in with those Velcro straps back here.
These straps are holding it up to the ceiling.
They still don't yank it out yet because these wires that went all the way up to your front gotta be disattached from back there because it's not gonna disconnect.
And there you have it, folks. Yep, so that's where we are right now. This bad boy was hella hard to take off. So we're taking out the headliner and trying to make it get out in one piece. But as you can see, we were struggling because my seats don't fold and the fact that the headliner is so big. Normally, if this were to be done the right way, we were supposed to take that headliner out through the front windshield, but nobody's gonna pay that much money to crack a seal for the front windshield and take out a headliner. So you fold the headliner to the best that you can and try to pull it out the door, because the headliner is not gonna crease. It's gonna snap back in place. Like so the material it's made of, it's like a soft fabric. And we got the man taping it off. You know what I'm saying? And now we're gonna start putting the lights in, but first we gotta get this, I think, on there first. That's what we're doing first?
Sure.
Yeah. So I'll probably fast forward this, but it's the headliner. It's really, really dirty. So we were gonna clean it up first, but I was like, might as well change it black. Try something different. Tired of looking at this gray already anyways. Dirty gray. So we're just gonna keep this right here so you guys can see the process. So guys, this is the product we're using, the Loctite spray adhesive. It says it's for wood, metal, acrylic, foam, fabric, and PVC, but we're trying it out. So far, it's been pretty good. So I'm gonna help him put this on, and let's see how this goes. So now we got it on there. We're cutting the pieces for the holes. So right now we're just using hot glue gun to glue gun the end pieces. This is a sticky situation. Alright, folks. The headliner is in completely, basically wrapped in this material. Now, the moment y'all been waiting for, we about to throw those fiber optics on here. But not before we drill these holes. There we go. And if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you know what I'm saying, sub to BenzBar TV. Follow the Instagram page at Benz550AMG. Don't be scared to hit the like button. And also click that notification bell so you know when I make a post. And let's get it. Here about how many strands? 500, 600 strands. These are the fiber optics.
Yeah, it's about 500 strands.
Yeah. Like 500 strands. That should be more than enough since I have a sunroof.
A lot of people don't do this on the tube. When you look at them and install this, you should widen that piece string. Flip it right over this. That way, when it's in your panels, going through your trunk, however you need to wire it, it's not, you won't be able to see the light. Or you can use electrical tape. I feel like electrical tape is messy, so I would use heat shrink.
Yes, sir. And so you know it's official. Alrighty.
I'm gonna use this whole tube, and after, I'm gonna use this whole tube.
That's a bet. That's a bet.
Another thing I've noticed that people don't do is they don't organize their lights before they get started. Try to keep it as neat as possible.
So it's not all over the place. Starts getting tacky over time.
It's inevitable. Wires are going to be going all over the place. Try to keep it as neat as possible. Group your wires together. Keep it like this. When it comes out, separate it, and it don't even have to be equal. But just try to separate it as equal as you can get it like that. What I do is I zip tie mine on both sides, and I split them up depending on what vehicle I'm doing. Maybe 3s or 4s, or maybe even 2s. This one right here, the majority of them are just gonna go in the back because I have a sunroof. So
Yeah.
on the back side, when we flip it over, I'll show you what I did to mark out my guideline of where I want to stay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So you're screwing the piece in to hold that in place in this box, the LED lighting housing. Oh, another thing I want to mention,
This right here is somewhat flush. If it's not flush, like obviously, you can probably see that that one ain't perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna snip them off just a little bit because we don't want to interfere with this motor for the sprinkle. So just get you some wire cutters and just snip it.
So they're all even, as even as can be. So now we're drilling and putting the fiber optics in the holes. So when you're putting them in the holes, you kind of want to feel under the headliner to see where the holes are coming from. Kind of put them in. And now we're gluing. So far, this is where we are. We still have back here to do. But it's looking good so far. Well, this way we at right now. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek what we got going on. Yes, sir. We snipping them over here. Oh, sheesh, look at that side. Let me get closer so we can get better angles. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is freaking beautiful right there. So guys, it's the next day. And I got home really late. I'm tired. And yeah, I couldn't really show you guys how it looked at night, but it's still kind of like the same effect in the morning. So I'm gonna turn on the car and kind of show you guys what it looks like. Don't mind the radio. Yeah. I could change it with my phone. My phone isn't right here right now, so my little sister is going to grab it. I can show you guys how it's wired. Don't mind my messy trunk. So this is how it's wired. We have this piece right here mounted in the back, and we ran it through all the way through that little hole that's in my trunk. We opened the liner. So we had to kind of fit it through here. It was a tight fit, but since my seats don't fold down, we ran it through here all the way through a little. There's a little hole back here that you can slide the fiber optics through, and here's the a better visual of how it looks. And we have these little diamonds that came with it. They light up too, but it's better at night. Let me see my phone. Yeah, so I'm gonna change the color. So I use this app called it's My Smart LED. So I can change the colors with the app. Kind of change the twinkle speeds. So let me see. Twinkle is on speed 3. I'm gonna change it to speed 2. You guys can see they're twinkling. And I can change the speed 1. And my favorite, like, is the white one because it gives it that classy appearance. If I really wanted to, I'll just make it twinkle a lot. I could change the brightness, and It's different customization. So this is kind of like a nighttime view of how the stars look. Yeah, all the way over here. So it's kind of like on the sides, around, all around my sunroof, the center console. I could make it match with the lights down here if I wanted. But yeah, I'm in the parking garage, by the way, at my job. So yeah, I like these gyms too. They kind of, you know, bring out the colors a little more. I don't know why this gym right here is a kind of, oh, it is just a tad. But yeah, guys, I like it. It kind of fits the aesthetic of this car. It looks like it was supposed to come like this, but it doesn't. So yeah, the suede headliner really sets it off too, because the black just contrasts the whole star theme compared to the other you know, headliner, beige headliner that came with stock from the factory. But yeah, guys, that wraps it up. This is the nighttime view. But thanks again, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to your boy Ben's Life TV. All right, bye.